To begin, place the hopper on the grinding regulator. It is important to check that the bean trap lever is closed. Tighten the safety screw. Fill the hopper with coffee. Loosen the grinding point setting. Turn the grinder on. Turn the grinding regulator counterclockwise until you hear the metallic sound of the burrs touching. Turn it 1/8 counterclockwise and 2/3 back again on the K10 conic model. Open the bean trap lever. Throw away the first grind to avoid a mix with previous grinds. Grind the necessary amount for testing. It should be between 7 and 7.5 grams per dose. Tamper firmly. Prepare a cup of coffee. Depending on the extraction time, you will have to adjust the grinding regulator. 25 seconds is the objective. If less, this means that the grind is thick, the dosage is low, or the tampering is insufficient, so you must make small clockwise adjustments with the switch in the on position. An extraction that is longer than 25 seconds means a fine grind or elevated amount of coffee. Adjust in a counterclockwise direction. Fill the dispenser with ground coffee. In the automatic models, the grinder will stop once it reaches the amount of ground coffee necessary to serve consistent shots. Pull the dispenser handle. With the help of a scale, adjust the dispenser until we reach the desired weight per shot. Turning the grinding regulator clockwise, we will lower the doses. And turning it counterclockwise, we will increase it.